Hey you guys, it's Sade Monique. Welcome to my channel. So yeah, as you can see by the baldness I got going on, I will be installing a wig today. So let me see. I'll start with this. It is a Nadula wig. Um, Along with the wig, it came, your usual lashes, and some of these lashes be cute. Um, Wig cap, headband, well, the little band to tie your lace down. And, I'm not too sure what this is. I really don't know what this is. Lipstick holder? I don't know. I really don't know what this is. But all this came with the wig. And it is a kind of like 13 by 4. It's a blonde highlight wig. And this was 24 inches, I believe. But I'm so excited to be putting this on, y'all. Like, this is too cute. So, I'm going to try to do a style because, I've done styles before. But usually I just stick to doing, like, middle parts, side parts, the basic shit. But I think I'm going to try to do, like, a half up, half down today. But, as you can see, I already got my ball cap down, everything like that. So, we're just going to get it started. Okay, you guys. So, I got the wig on. It seems like it's a little big on my head, but it's cool. We gonna try to work with this here. I need to cut this lace in the front because it's irritating my lashes. I can't see. Okay, let's see what we working with here. So I'm gonna try to adjust like my ear tabs first, and yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. This shit's still bothering my lashes. See, usually I'll put on my lashes after I put my wig on. Let's see. Okay, because that's bothering my ear a little bit. Let's see. Guys, bear with me. Bear with me. Okay. You might be good. Okay. I don't like how my cap is showing right here on the side. Let's see. I'm hoping once I do the melting process, everything will just blend in. I already had put makeup on the wig before I had even started the video. So, hoping everything just does what it's supposed to do. I feel like I'm having a hard time already. Yeah, it's like you can see the cap right here on my temple points. So let me see. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I think I kind of got it. I tried to cut some of that lace off the side so you couldn't see it, but we just gonna roll with it, okay? Where is my... Wait 1 second. Okay. Yeah. I need a combo. So I clean my forehead off. Before we start putting the glue down, you want to make sure the glue is able to stick down, everything like that. Hey, girl. Say hey. Hey. Look at the camera. Okay, you guys. So, yeah, my daughter's probably going to be coming back in here. So, let's get into it. I'm going to just, usually I only put like 2 layers of glue down. That's just me because 9 times out of 10, I'm probably not even going to keep this wig on long, honestly. So, I just drop a couple dots, like thin dots. And I just smooth it out with my finger because I don't mind the glue being on my finger. So yeah, just smooth it out. And I actually might do 3 layers. I don't know. But I smooth it out. And you want to make sure each layer is clear before you add on your next layer. And you guys, I'm no professional. Like, I've only been doing like my own wigs for like a year. Doesn't change now. But I'm still like perfecting everything. Like little techniques. I'm always on YouTube looking for new techniques or easier way to do stuff. Like, I am not perfect at all. I still make hella mistakes. Like, I really want to take like a class to learn how to like really lay lace. But like, I don't really be knowing nobody in my city. Like, you know how iffy some hairstylists can be. So, you know. But I think I'm gonna look into it more. Because I really want to learn how to really like slay my own hair. Everybody got time to be trying to make appointments and bitches canceling on you and take your deposit, all that other extra shit. But I'd rather have to do my hair myself. I ain't gotta wait on nobody. So I be still smoothing it out. That kind of helps with it drying faster too, and it being clear. You can always use your blow dryer too, but that's just what I do. And I think today I'm actually gonna put a 3rd layer of glue. Yep. Yep. I forgot I was recording on my phone too. Lord have mercy. This last layer I'm probably gonna, oh, it's getting sticky already. I'm probably going to blow dry. Oh, shit. This look up too? Hold on. I hope this turned out cute. Because I feel like this wig is already too big for my head. But it's so cute. So I hope everything just goes how it's supposed to go. And I don't have no issues. Hold on, I'll be right back though. Just gonna blow dry it a little bit. Alright. Alright. On Wednesday. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put this baby on. Let's see. I don't know why I'm nervous. Like I ain't did this shit before. So I literally try to just go from side to side. And just literally just comb the hair into the glue. Do that for the front. You do that for each side, you know. Go ahead, just comb that glue into the hair. Comb it, comb it, comb. I just keep doing that until I feel like it's kind of, you know, stuck in there. Yeah, I just keep doing it until I feel like it's in there. Good enough. And then, I've been seeing a lot of people do this. So I'm going to do it too. But yeah, you just want to make sure like the hair and everything is into the glue. Everything is good. So next, where is, oops. I guess I'll just use this band. I'm just tied down. And while I'm tying it down, I think I can't think. I'm gonna just tie this down and then we gonna come back. Okay, y'all, we got the band on tight. Cut off my damn circulation. But, okay, yeah, I want to do like a style. I don't know. See the highlights in this? This is so cute. But I really don't know what to do with it, though. I should do it up, down, but let's see. We're just going to part it out and see what it's hitting for. I don't know if I want to like this and then like have the, let me see, like there's more hair on this side. And I be using this wax stick. The She Is Bomb. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see. Let's put that. Okay. Let me try to smooth out the sides. Where is? I'm gonna just put this in the rubber band real quick. Hello, what are you doing? I'll put this in the rubber band really quick, just so I can flatten out the sides, and then we'll come back to trying to perfect this and put it in a nice ponytail. Oops. Okay. Yeah, because I'm really tired of doing like regular middle parts or side parts, which lately I actually been doing more middle parts than anything. So yeah, I want to try to do styles and stuff. What's up? These highlights is so cute. And I think what I'm going to do... Yeah, this hot comb and wax stick combo. The best. I just wanted to make sure this part was kind of flat. And I think I'm going to, on this side, probably didn't. I just want to make sure the sides is flat. And I think I'm just going to, like, kind of curl it. Curl the ponytail and curl the hair. Ponytail gonna be covering that part, so I ain't worried about that part showing. What you said so far? I'm the one that hit the wall. Sorry I ain't talking, y'all. I be concentrating. I be having to concentrate. Cause honey, whew, my attention span is so bad. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do baby hairs because honestly, I still need to work on baby hairs. I'm not good with baby hairs at all, and it kind of frustrates me. Not gonna lie, it kind of frustrates me. And everybody else baby hairs be looking so cute, and I just be like, damn, wish I could make some baby hair like that. I don't know why it's so hard for me, but I'm gonna keep practicing though. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Shit, I don't. Not for real. I'm gonna do TikTok at the same time though. I think what I should have did though, if I do baby hair, well, I'll come back to that because I don't know if I want to do baby hair. I messed up my ponytail. I don't want to have to keep redoing this. I don't. It's cute though. It's cute. I'm liking this blonde, but alright you guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to cut the lace off camera try to fix this ponytail because I didn't like how I had it laying the first time.
I'll be
but
back.
do you see the highlights? This is so cute. But yeah, I just cut off the lace and I just put some got to be spray on here. And we just gonna let that sit, baby. And I don't think I'm gonna do baby hairs. Like I said, I'm really not good at baby hairs. And I hate to mess like a good wig up if I don't know how to do my baby hairs. So, oh, I forgot to turn this on. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just curl the ponytail, and curl the rest of the hair. This hair is really soft, not gonna lie. It's like very soft. After washing it and everything. Like I said, I did bleach the knot, so. And I'm surprised, because I would think like with blonde pieces, it'd be a little nappy or something. No. But I'm gonna curl it, and I'm not too good at like the barrel curls. But nevertheless, I don't even know why I'm saying that, because first of all, honey, I don't even own a barrel curler or whatever it's called. I just have my wand curls. So this is what I usually curl my hair with, and they still come out like cute. Because basically what you want to do is, I think I'm going to do my ponytail last, so I'm going to just put this in like a little bun up here. But usually what I'll do is, let me see. These get hot pretty quick. Okay. So I usually just do this. And I kind of be trying to make like it lay flat, if you can see like what I'm doing. I like for it to lay flat, and it kind of creates like a cute little barrel curl in a sense. And I'm just do this to my whole head until I'm done. But yeah, that's usually how I do my curls, because and I think that's a good tip for anybody. If you're not good at curling, just get a curling wand, and look, your curls still come out bomb. Like once I comb that out, that's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna just do a couple more, and then I'll go ahead and finish my hair, and I will come back to you guys when I'm done with the whole like little look or whatever. So again, I try to just keep it flat and straight on the barrel. And this hair is kind of long, so gotta do like that. Yep. We just do it like that. Oops. And like I said, I'll come back to you guys when my whole head is done, so you can see the whole entire look. This video feel like it was all over the place, and I'm so sorry. Like I said, this is my very first video, but I'm gonna get it together, because like I said, I do my own hair. I do my own wig installs. And I'm actually gonna be trying a new hairstyle soon too, so I'm gonna record that for y'all. But nevertheless, let's just focus on this right now. Alright, you guys, so all the curls are done now. It really didn't even take me that long. That's why I like to use the oh yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with all the curls. It didn't even take me that long, and that's why I like to do wand curls at that. Like, they're just super easy and quick. So I'm just gonna comb them out. Look how pretty that is. Yes, honey. Go.
It's funny.
It's funny?
Yes. Yeah.
Explain some things with that. Let's see. Oops. I really don't. See how I want this ponytail.
No,
Be careful.
Okay.
Let me figure out how I want these curls to be laying in this ponytail. All right, you guys. So I'm back. I got my band on. Doesn't look too bad. You know. I don't think I did bad. What you think? But I don't know. I don't know what to do with this up down. I was trying to comb out the curls because actually I don't want like the curls this freaking like I don't want them that tight. So I'm trying to thin it out a little bit. But this is basically like the finishing product, you know. A little bit, I don't know. And then this not even laying flat. Like what? Hold on, Daddy. Honey bunny.
Mommy.
Let me see.
And then done. It's done.
Let's see. Okay, let's do a little flip over method for now. A little flip over.
And then done.
Okay, you guys. I really don't know what to do my hair now. I wanted to do that up down, but honey, I don't know. I don't know. Your girl don't know. But this is some good hair. It's very soft. I don't know. Let me see. I'm going to come up with some. I'm going to try to come up with some. Because like I said, I don't want to do just no side part or middle part. Especially since we already got like some curls or whatever in it. Like, I don't know. But I think I laid it pretty good. Like, I think I did. So hold on. Let me come back. Let me think of something decent enough. I don't know. Let me think. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I don't know why, but I just tried like 3 different hairstyles and I did not like none of them. I really didn't. So for right now, cause I'm getting tired. I still gotta cook dinner, all that. So I'm gonna just leave it like this, and I'm gonna come back to it later, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but I don't know. I do like this hair though so far. This is the initial, of course, install, but I do like it so far. It is still very soft. The lace blended in good. And the highlights are so cute. So hopefully I can find like a cute style. If not, I'll probably be putting this in like a side part, definitely. Letting this out, recurl it, all that. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Promise. I promise this shit'll be better. Like I'm going to prom. But I promise like these upcoming videos are going to be better. But yeah, just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.